Hello guys, and welcome finally at question 10 of June 2018, paper 2, pure math statistics, pure math mechanics. And in this particular question, the table above gives the values of a continuous variable y for some observed values of x. It is known that y and x are connected by a law of the form y equals ax squared plus bx, where a and b are elements of the set of real numbers. By drawing a suitable linear graph, estimate the values of A and B, given the answers correct to 2 decimal places. Sub 2, the first and last terms of an arithmetic progression are 7 and 51 respectively. Given that the sum of the terms of the progression is 348, find the number of terms and the common difference of the progression. So let's tackle this question. But before we tackle it, guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and to leave your comments. Please, when you subscribe to this channel, you will have access to other videos, because those who are not subscribed cannot have access to all of our videos. Secondly, not all of our videos are on YouTube, so you have to actually visit our website to have this video. You have the complete correction for this paper and correction for other years, like 2016 and 2015. So go to our website and search classes, concours classes and holiday classes. Website, that WhatsApp button for your inquiries. Let us tackle this question. So here, the table above gives values for a continuous variable y for some observed values of x, and they want us to use a linear relationship to plot a suitable graph. So from here, we have y is equal to ax squared plus bx. So a suitable graph for this will be the graph y over x is equal to ax plus b, which is now in the form y equals mx plus c, where our constant y-intercept is the value b, and our gradient function is a. So we just have to plot value of y on x against x. So let's do this on a table. This is a table. These are the x values, that is y value. So y on x, let me call it z, with 62 on 2, that is 31. The 270 on 6, which gives us 45. 580 on 10, 58. 994 on 14, 71. And 1248 on 16, which is 78. So we have, so I'd like to use multiples of 5 for the x-axis. And for the y, we can start at 30, right? Because it begins at 31. So from 31, 40, 30, 40, 40, 50, 60, 70, and ends at 78, or in around 80. Well, if I have a larger graph paper, I'll actually do this easier. And I'm using the French graph paper here, so don't bother. If you use the English graph paper, no problem, you're going to have the same solution. So the first point is 231, when x is 2, y is 31, x is 6, y is 45, x is 10, 58, and we have 16 and 78. So this is the line that we obtained, and using our ruler, we can now link this point, and you see that all these points fall on the line, right? So from these points, we can find the gradient. The gradient of this line gives us the value a. By making this triangle should normally touch the points where these lines intersect. It's not good that it should meet at the point where the lines not intersect. Like look at this point where they intersect, okay? Horizontal and vertical lines intersect here on the graph paper. So this point A here is 1676 with coordinates, B is 530, 335. So my gradient will be changed in Z over change in X1, and change in X is 16 minus 3, which is 13. So my A will be changed in Z over change in X, which is 42 on 13. That gives us 3.15, okay? You are given an answer to 2 decimal places. So your answer can be 3.10, 3.2 in that interval, and it'll be acceptable. And then for B, since we cannot get the y-intercept on this curve or directly, but I want to show you what happens if you cannot have it using that method. If you cannot have the y-intercept, that is B using this method, the method, you can use the x-intercept instead. So here is that when x is equal to 0, what's the value of z on x? The value of z on x will be equal to 30, okay? So at x equals 0, at z equals 0, okay, so x will be equal to 1.5. Is that what we have? Or is equal to? So when z is equal to 30 at this point here, x will be equal to 1.5, as you can see, right? You now substitute into this our equation, the second equation we have. That gives us 30 is equal to 3.15 into 1.5 plus b. So from there, b will be 25.28. That's the value of b. All right, let's now move to the B part of the equation. We are being told that the first and last terms of an AP are 7 and 51 respectively. Given that the sum of the terms of the progression is 348, find the number of terms and the common difference of the progression. So we know that the sum of the first n terms, being told that the first term T1 or A is equal to 7, and the last term or the nth term is 51. While the sum of the first n terms is 348. From here, we know that sum of the first n terms is given as n on 2 into a plus l. This a plus l is the same as 2a plus n minus 1d that you know. but that a plus n minus 1z is that nth term or the last term. So this gives us n over 2 into 7 plus 51 to be equal to 348. And from here, n will be equal to 12. Now that we know the number of terms, you can equally find the common difference, okay? So for the last term, for example, once you use the last term is given by a plus n minus 1z. A is 7, so 51 is equal to 7 plus 11z is 44 is equal to 11z, and z is equal to 4. So this is the common difference, and the number of terms, 12, common difference is 4. Hello guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please share this video and leave your comments. When you leave your comments and you share the videos, from the number of shares we see, a number of comments we see, as well as number of subscribers, we know that what we are doing is what you want and you should go ahead. But without those factors, we will not be making as many videos as possible. And secondly, we don't put all of our videos on YouTube, so you will have to visit our website to get the best and the latest updates for different subjects. You equally have prepped tutorials for prep GCE. You can equally contact us directly from the website, from YouTube. Equally, even on YouTube, you cannot see all of our videos on YouTube. Please stay on YouTube if you have not subscribed, because only subscribers can see all of our videos on YouTube. Some videos cannot be seen by everyone. But if you just subscribe, which is even free, you can have access to all of the videos on YouTube. As God continues to bless you as you prepare your exams, may you also continue to share these videos, to subscribe, and to bless others in return. We wish you the best and see you on the other side. Bye-bye.